the range?
He's 500 right now, 480. 489, just give him a second. Are you steady?
Yeah. Ready?
No, not yet. Hang on. Is that where you want to shoot him at right there?
Oh, I see him. Oh, he turned.
Okay, yeah, he's gonna come down to that meadow.
Okay. Tell me when. He's looking right at me now.
As soon as he turns broadside there, you squeeze that trigger. Let him make sure he stops too, because he ain't going anywhere. You can hit, that's a spike coming down right above him too.
Yes. There's some sticks in the way.
What stick?
No, it's way down there. They're way down there. It's not the sticks here.
Yeah, don't shoot yet. If he turns to his left and starts going to the bushes, I'm gonna stop him. And you're gonna have to shoot, alright?
Alright. I have to wait.
Here he comes. Hang on, I'm gonna move it. Go up a little bit again. If you can hit him there.
Comes a little further.
Alright, here we go. Can you get him right there?
No, there's a stick right there. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let him stop. Squeeze that trigger. Oh, don't shoot that other pole. Don't shoot that other pole. Cock another one in. Cock another one in. He's going up the hill. He's the first one. He's down. Nice shot, man. Good shot.
Hey, I got him.
You got him, yep. But if you can hit him again.
I will.
Nice.
Still down?
Oh yeah. Congrats, man. It's a good bull.